guys, today I'm going to show you how you can place the eyelets on anything, clothes, fabric or pants. As you can see that it has two parts, one is top part and one is bottom part. Top part goes under the bottom part, and top part you have to place it on the front side of the shirt, and the bottom part you have to place it under the back side of your shirt. And I'm going to show you how you can place it. As you can see, this is the top part and this is the bottom part, and it goes on top of the top part. And now this is the top part. I am going to place it, and then now I am going to put the bottom part and make it tight. As you can see that how I am doing it, and you can do it too at home. And that's how it stick, but you have to make it tight, and to make it tight the hole so it will stick with the fabric and doesn't go anywhere. This is the iron part. You have to place it. You can do it on the floor too, or some kind of hard thing. So then it comes with one screw, and you have to place it on the hole. So after that you have to put the pressure on it so it doesn't go anywhere, and the holes will be little bit wider and it will be stick with the fabric, and the eyelets will be attached with the fabric. As you can see how now it's attached and it doesn't go anywhere and doesn't come out. Now I'm going to do other side. It's the same process, and so I am just showing you again, so if you didn't understand, so this time you can understand better. The top part goes on the front side and the bottom part goes underneath. The top part has also some kind of spikes, so when you put a pressure on it, it makes little bit wider and open up, and then it stick with the fabric. As you can see, guys, please subscribe to my channel if you like my stitching videos, so it will help me and I can make more future content. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel.